What's the meaning of Chester Nimitz? Chester Nimitz. Chester Nimitz.
Chester Nimitz. Chester Nimitz. Chester Nimitz was a United States Navy admiral who played a crucial role in the Pacific theater of World War II. He served as Commander-in-Chief, United States Pacific Fleet, CINCPACFLT, and led American forces to decisive victories against the Imperial Japanese Navy. His strategic leadership and tactical innovations, such as the use of submarines and aircraft carriers, helped secure victory in the Pacific. Nimitz is widely regarded as one of the greatest naval commanders in American history and is remembered for his contributions to the Allied victory in World War II.